Forex sliding yen stokes intervention threat, dollar reigns. Singapore, Sep 25, Reuters, the yen approached the closely watched 150 per dollar level on Monday and kept traders on intervention watch after the Bank of Japan and Governor Kazuo Ueda quashed hopes of any imminent move away from its stark ultra-loose monetary policy. In the broader currency market, the dollar was on the front foot, extending its gains from last week after a still hawkish Federal Reserve surprised markets by signaling U.S. rates would need to stay higher for longer than initially expected. 25 years ago today, two Nobel laureates received a $3.6 billion bailout, launching Too Big to Fail. By Eric Peters, CIO of One River Asset Management. 25 years ago today, two Nobel laureate economists and a famous bond trader received a $3.65 BLN bailout from 14 financial institutions at the behest of the Federal Reserve. LTCM had delivered a 21% net return in its first year, 43% in the second, 41% in the third. Greed, hubris, leverage, illiquidity, and lack of imagination led to the inevitable. A year later, Japan cut rates to zero, started K in 2001. This sparked the introduction of ever more powerful policy tools to address crises, which manifested regularly, with growing intensity. Decades passed. There appeared no limit to what could be achieved using such exciting new tools. The 10.000-foot view of global macro and financial markets, such that you don't miss the forest for the. Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Macro Compass. I will be in New York on October 2nd to 3rd-4 presenting my macro investment outlook to institutional clients. If you are/represent a hedge fund PM, RIA, family office, investment firm or a finance professional and you want to arrange a meeting, please send an email to alf@themacrocompass.com. The pound sterling to US dollar has melted down during the course of the week as we have seen the Bank of England step away from its interest rate hiking cycle, suggesting that perhaps we are going to continue to see lackluster performance coming out of Great Britain. Furthermore, although the Federal Reserve held firm, it does look like the Fed is going to remain tight with its monetary policy, thereby favoring US dollar buying against most currencies, not just this one.